Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to ensure CCS enrolments are confirmed by guardians. Moving over to a guardians page and clicking on their enrolments tab, you can see a list of the enrolments created against that guardian. If the status is in a received status, this means when the enrolment was created, the CRN for the child or guardian is missing in Kidsoft. The enrolment has been submitted to CCS. You can see an enrolment ID and the type CWA. It just means it will not go to the guardian's MyGov account for them to confirm. So when an enrolment is in a received status, no CCS subsidy will be received. Once you update the records in Kidsoft with the CRN, the CCS enrolment will automatically update to the applicable status, whether that is pending confirmation or pending eligibility. When a status is in pending confirmation, it means it's ready for the guardian to confirm in their MyGov account. Once it's been confirmed in their MyGov account, the applicable and appropriate CCS entitlements will display on that enrolment. And when a session report is submitted to CCS, the session report will receive CCS subsidy. If the enrolment is ceased and the child is still attending your service, you can remove the end date if applicable, update the start date to the current day, and click Save. This will update the enrolment and submit a new 200A enrolment notice to CCS and to the guardian's MyGov account. If the status is pending eligibility, this means the guardian will need to contact Centrelink in relation to their childcare application. While the status is pending eligibility, the guardian will not receive confirmation in their MyGov account and no CCS subsidy will estimate or be paid. For further information on confirmed CCS enrolments, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.